Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Like you can tell from the thumbnail, today we have a different kind of an unboxing. We have a pair of sunglasses. But before we get into that, the last pair I picked up were these Pleasures Aquila sunglasses, and this was during my trip to Australia in March of 2020. And I've had this therefore for exactly 4 years. These are the shades that I have on. It says Pleasures on one side, and the other side of course has the model name. What I love about the shades are these tiny inverted crosses, and I think they look fairly alright on my face. Yeah, so it's been 4 years and I really fell in love with these shades. So without much further ado, let's unbox them. My trusty Gerber blade to the rescue. Let's slice. Oh, and there you have the Prada branding subtle on this white box. Now, I personally am not a big fan of designer sunglasses, but there's just something about the Prada symbol and symbol. Is it a symbol or is it symbol? Because I know it's been inspired by the Prada triangle, but I don't know what the exact pronunciation is. I've seen Travis Barker wear these, and I really fell in love with the way it's got these subtle geometric designs on the overall frame. And I was like, hey, if my first pair of designer shades have to be picked up this year, I'd pick up the Prada symbol. I'm just going to say symbol. So we have your guarantee card, of course, and yeah, Luxottica makes these as well. You have your wipe for the lenses, and there's this nice, oh wow, is this satin or is this silk? But there's this nice pouch to carry your shades in, and it's quite substantial. It's not one of those thin pouches. It's a nice fluffy thick substantial pouch, and that's the inside of the box. And now for the shades themselves, there is this other white case, and it's subtly textured just like the box that it came in. Anyway, let's lift this up, and you have more of that Prada branding. This is a magnetic clasp, so you know, I initially did think that these shades are a little too small, because when it comes to dimensions, they are a 49. I would have preferred something like a 51 perhaps, but let's go through the details before I put this on my face. So you have the Prada Milano logo right here. That's the front of the shades. You have your Prada sticker right there as well. And I'm not sure if the lens can catch it, but yeah, it can, I guess. Right here, you see the Prada text done on the lens. The other side as well has the same Prada logo on the temples. On the inside, this one says Prada made in Italy, and on the other side you have the size and dimensions, like you can see 49-20. Now the interesting thing is that even my Aquila Pleasures sunglasses are a 49-20. I don't know if you can catch that on the lens, but it's done right here under the Legacy brand name, or model name, sorry. So this one as well is a 49-20, although I did want a 51 because I'm a fan of slightly larger frames, but this was me slipping it on. What do you guys think? Is that a yay or a nay? I personally don't know how to feel about it. I wanted these shades, I'm wearing them. I'm definitely not as cool as Travis Barker, but I feel like they're kind of a vibe, especially the sides. And speaking of, I forgot to mention those geometrics that I was talking about, right? Look at all those different cuts and shapes on the side of the temples. You see that? You'll even see that on the front, I don't know what you call this part, but you see those cuts and shapes all over. And I think the symbols came out in 2023, which is last year, and it is by far the most recognizable designer pair of sunglasses. and especially Prada, because you know how Prada is synonymous with the triangle, right? The inverted triangle that kind of echoes the A in Prada, I guess. So you can see this inverted triangle, which is the logo of Prada, that goes on the side of these shades. I guess that is a no-brainer on why these frames are called the symbols. But yeah, came out in 2023, is the most popular Prada sunglasses. Man, I always like buying something that's a little rare, but I guess I went for something that's a lot more common. So this is it on my face, a really quick review to show you guys these new pair of sunglasses that I got. Let me know in the comments what you make of it. Should I have gone for a bigger frame like I usually wear, or does the same 49-20 dimension look good on me? I'm interested to know. Thank you for staying all the way to the end, you guys. I appreciate you. Leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.